Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Mahaira Farhani Arsha from 9A and here today I will explain about Bitaqwa app again. And here I make a new screen, the name is Video Kajian screen. So Video Kajian screen is the last screen in Bitaqwa app. So here I know I will explain the Bitaqwa app. So the first, the top one is class video kajian screen extend stateless widget. So uh, this page is a stateless widget, so which means the UI doesn't need to update dynamically. And then I use a scaffold as the main structure of the screen. It contains an app bar and a body. And then return scaffold. So this we make the app bar. So in the app bar, I set the title to kajian, video kajian and add a back button to return to the previous screen. And that for the app bar, the background color is color primary, and then for the title is video kajian, and I styling the text. So here we use white color for the text, and then we use Poppins medium for the font. And then this leading icon button. So this for make the icon to go to the previous screen. And in this, the icon is use arrow back iOS new outline. The color is white. And then for the list view. So each item is wrapped with a gesture detector. So it becomes clickable. When we tap the card, it will navigate to the detail video screen and send the video data. So here there's a gesture detector. So for make it like we can click the button and then there's the URL, the account will start with title and description. And then we go to the card. So this one guys, this for the URL account, Usta title description. So for the UI design, I use a card widget to make each video item it's look like good and organized. So I use card for the UI. And then I use margin. So I use margin this edge inside all 12. And then I use column. So at the top of the card, there is a video thumbnail. So I use a stack here so I can put to place the play icon on top of the image. And then, so this is cross exit alignment. And then this I use text. So below the thumbnail, I show some information like the account, the Ustad name, and the video title. So here, like there's fit. So this for the thumbnail, and it is for the position. So we make it in in the middle. So for the button zero, right zero, left zero, top zero, and then this for the icon. So I can place circle outline, and then this for the color. I use color primary, and then the size is 60. And then I use padding. So I use padding for uh make it there's like padding, and then the text for the account, and then the text style. So I use 14 for the font, and then I use gray color for the color, and then I use Poppins regular for the font. And then also this for the Ustad. So also this, the font size is 16, and then the color is color primary, and then the font family is Poppins Medium. And then this, I use 18 for the font size of title, and then I use black color for the color, and then The font family is Poppins Bold. Then, uh, so this in conclusion, so the screen displays a list of Kajian screens, Kajian videos. So there are later the UI will show there like displays of a list a list of Kajian videos, and we can choose which one that we want to watch. So, mm, and then let's move next to the detail video Kajian screen. This one. So, uh, so this page is different with the previous one. So this I use Factful widget because the video player needs to update the UI while the user interact with the video. And here, class video detail, class detail video kajian screen extends stateful widget. So uh, here I define 5 data fields that will be received from the previous screen, like the URL, the account name, the USAT name, the title, and the description. And in this, I use final string URL, final string account, final string USAT, final string this. So the state class is created to control the UI behavior. And in this class video kajian screen, so I create a YouTube player controller. So this controller is used to control play, pause, and all video actions. And then um, this one YouTube player controller. So this for control the video. Like we can pause, we can play, and we can stop. And then we go to the next. Uh, and then this for the YouTube controller. And then we go this. I also use efforts for make it the app bar. So here for the background color of the app bar, I use color constant color primary. And then this for the title, video kajian. And this, like the previous one, the app bar, same. We use white color for the color of the text. And I use Copies Medium for the font. And then this also for the icon button for make it go to the previous screen, and then this single child scroll view. So here is the YouTube player widget show the actual video to watch. So I show a progress indicator, and I also add a listener when the player is ready. So here we use column, and then this the progress indicator color is amber, like yellow. And then this for callback when all the video player is ready to be started. And then we use already this. So below the video, I show all the details that were sent from the previous screen, like the account name, Ustad title, and the description. They are displayed in different styles to make the UI clean and readable. And then this, the padding. So this on the heading. So this same like the previous one, like this for the text. Use gray color and then Optins regular. And then this for Ustad. So this the font size is 16 and then the color constant color primary and then Optins medium. And for the title, this we use black color and the font size is 18. And then the font family is Optins semi bold. And as for the description. So the description inside the video detail video kajian screen. So I use font size. I use 16 for the font size, and then this black color, and then for the font family is Poppins regular, and then So the screen allows us to watch the kajian video directly inside the app and also read information related to that video. And then also this the video data. So this the data of the video. Like this, there's the thumbnail. This so detailed because this already the thumbnail, account, postcard, title, URL, and also the description. So inside this video kajian screen, there are one, two, three, four, five. There are five video that you can choose it. And then here inside the dashboard screen. So I also have the code for the video kajian. So this the size box. So size box is for it's a wrap the menu item inside a gesture detector. So this make the menu clickable. And then for the gesture detector, so when the when we tap it, the app will navigate to the video kajian screen using the name road video kajian. So inside the gesture detector, I use a column widget to stack the account and text vertically like this. This video kajian. And then the font family is Poppins enabled and the color is white. So the icon is load from assets and the text shows the label video kajian with white color so it's matched with the design. So this whole widget functions as a shortcut button that takes the user that takes us straight to the video kajian screen with just one tap. So after this I will show to you guys the UI or from the emulator of video kajian screen.
So guys, this is the UI of the Bitaqwa app, and then here I will show you the this. So this the video kajian screen that before I explain the code, and then if we click it, wait guys, this must be patient. Nah, okay. So here, nah, wait guys. So if we click it, so there will be like the description of the video, and then this the channel, and this for the ustad, and then this for the title. So and then this for the video. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your for thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.